Starting our hike this morning, we're going to do a little loop over the Gros Range of Wyoming. We're going up Parody Draw, slipping over into Rock Creek, and then back to the car. There was a major fire here last year. And rumor has it there's some amazing wildflowers, so we're going to give this a check. We're passing through a section where the forest meets the meadows, and you can see here where it burned last year. In this kind of environment, not all the trees burn. You can see there's patches of green forest still. Starting to see just a little bit of fireweed. Normally fireweed is one of the flowers that takes over after a burn. And so far we've just seen a little bit of it. No real spectacular shows yet. As we walk through the burn area, a lot of lush grass growth. Although I must admit the meadows and the Gros oftentimes are pretty lush. Now, as we hike into the burn area, we're starting to see a few hollyhocks. Well, I'm pretty sure we found it. This is what is known as hollyhock heaven. Absolutely amazing. One time when smell-o-vision would really be something. Well, I've really enjoyed this hike today. If you're curious and you'd like to do it, you can find the complete description in a book. It's called Beyond the Tetons. It's really a great resource for some of these trails that aren't used all that often, for people who want to get away from the crowds in Yellowstone and Teton National Park. There's so much to northwest Wyoming besides the national parks. And this is a perfect example. We didn't see anybody on our hike today. Absolutely amazing.